You can basically just type one word in this box, click save, and you will be paid $25 to $30. You can do it again and again and make money every single day from anywhere around the world, but you must set up this properly. I will explain to you exactly how to do this in this video. Signing up to this website is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money and you don't need any writing skills. You can even just copy and paste one word if you don't want to type it yourself. But before we start, welcome to Digital Ninja, where I teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a brand new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, concern or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. This is the main platform which we will be using. This is the first website where we will go and create simple videos with one single word. So you can just type in one single word and this website will create professional high quality videos for you, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get paid $25 to $30 per video that you create. It says here the easiest ways to make awesome videos. Don't worry, you don't need any editing skills for this. You don't need any camera, you won't have to film anything, you won't have to show your face. You just need to type one single word and you can repeat this again and again, and I will show you exactly how it works and how to get paid. Choose your favorite video template and fully customize it online and watch them generate your video instantly. So you don't have to read around, which means you can start making money today. You can't get any easier than this. It just requires one single word and you can repeat it all over again. Now this is motionden.com. Follow each and every step of this video and by the end of this you will know exactly what to do and exactly how to make money online. Now first of all, on this home page I want you to click on this get started button right here so you can sign up. You can do so by either connecting your Facebook or your Google account, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of button. But if you don't want to do so, you can just sign up with your email address, manually enter your details. I will also recommend you to tick this box if you don't want to subscribe to their email list, which can sometimes be really boring, so I oftentimes don't really like to subscribe to their newsletters. You can easily sign up in less than 30 seconds. Now once you sign up on the MotionDen, it's going to allow you to browse all of these different video templates which you can use to create professional looking videos in just less than 30 seconds and just by typing one single word. So here on the left hand side you can see that you can generate all of these types of videos, all the different categories. You can create ads, animated videos, you can create videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, gaming, infographics, video for Instagrams, YouTube, intros and outros and so on and so forth. And you have all these different templates which you can browse and they're highly professional. They have 3D high quality templates which you can use easily, and I will explain to you exactly how to do this. Now there is a one specific service which we will be focusing on to going to allow you to make $25 to $30 for single word that you type. So what I want you to do is I want you to focus on either intros or outros. Forget about all these different categories for now. You want to focus only on intros and outros because that's the easiest one, and that is the one that will allow you to make $30 or more for single word. So let's select intro templates and it's going to give you some of them which you can use, and let's browse and find something that really interesting. For example, I'm going to use this template just for now to show you exactly how it works. So I will click on it and customize it. I just need to click on edit this video. Once you come over to this page, all I have to do is just click on this box and I can type in that one word in this box, and I will show you what's going to happen once I type. Let's say the word in this case is finance. Click save and make video, and that's it for now. It instantly generates generate that video for you, and I'm going to show you how you can sell those type of videos for $25 to $30 again and again. And I'm also going to show you proof that it actually works, because many people are already making money every single day with this exact same strategy. So if you continue to the dashboard, you able to see that this video is now rendering. I just need to wait for a couple of seconds, and they have created for me. As you can saw, it only took a single word to type in this box. Now I have already fully created high quality intro from which I can make money from. So let's repeat that same process again. Let's choose a different template. You can go over to templates. You can either choose intros or outros. Let's go to intros. First you need to find a template which you really like this one right here. You just need to have to open it, and like I said, edit this video, and that it takes to the editing page. You can even add a logo if you want to. If not, just go straight to the text page, click on the text box, type in this word, click save and click make video. That's all you have to do, and now you can make money from an additional platform which I'm about to share with you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not already done. Now let's get back to the video. So first of all, you can start using Quicken Gigs. This is a similar platform to Fiverr.com. This website is a freelancing website where millions of everyday people come over to here to sell their services. You have every single day just people like me. You are providing different services for other entrepreneurs and business owners. You can see that they have partnered with some of the massive companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook and Unity, and this is only one of many different freelancing websites which you can use. But the reason I am sharing Quicken Gig rather than Fiverr is because this is not as competitive. Fiverr has hundreds and thousands of people doing the same service, but here are not people providing those services, and the demand is pretty high. There are a lot of buyers here, but there are less sellers, which means it's perfect for beginners who can instantly join this website and potentially gets a lot of sales without being an established seller. If you search for intros and outros on this website, you're able to see that people are providing this type of services. There are not a lot of people providing these services, but the one who's providing the services like intros and outros are already making thousands of dollars. As you can see here is someone who does cool 3D YouTube intros for just $30, and he got over 5 sales. He has 5 feedbacks, and not every person leave feedback, so he probably has more than 5 sales at the price of $30. And for you, that's going to take you just single word to type in the motion den and sell it on Quicken Gigs. Again, this is a single platform where you can provide these services and sell intros and outros. You can also use websites like People Per Hour. In here, if you type intros, you will be able to see more people are providing this service. That's a total of 207 results, and they all are making sales. They're all making hundreds if not thousands of sales. For example, this person got over thousands of feedback, which means they got over 1000 sales for this intro service. You can even use Fiverr if you want to maximize your results. It will cost you nothing to publish that gig, and if you get some sales, then great. If not, that's okay. You can still use other freelancing websites. So Fiverr does have massive potential, but you can see that people are selling those type of services for more money, like $35 and $45. So they have even higher packages, and they are getting hundreds and in some cases thousands of sales. So it does have massive potential, but the competition is really high on Fiverr. So I definitely recommend you to try all these different freelancing websites. Don't just focus on one. Once you get a sales, you can ask with the buyer they want to have intros, and which I said earlier, type in one name in the box and click save and make the video and click continue to dashboard. You wait until it generates the video and you able to download into your computer. Now to download it without this watermark, you will need to pay $9 per video, but if you sell it for $35 to $40, then you still have high profits and you don't have to invest any money upfront. You can wait until you get the sales for those freelancing websites and then use that money to pay $9 for motion den. So for $9, you get a video done in less than 60 seconds to make over $30, and you can do it again and again. Once you start making more sales, and more money, and you see that it already making you some decent amount of monthly income, you can just reinvest that $39 per month for the unlimited plan, which will allow you to sell unlimited amount of videos. So you can sell hundreds of videos a month and you only pay $39 on a Motion Den to do all the hard work for you. So you can definitely leverage the Motion Den and their templates, easy to make professional videos just by typing one word in the box, and then provide that service in other freelancing websites like Freelancer, Truelancer, Fiverr Guru, People Per Hour, Quick and Gigs, and so on so forth. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video.